Alright kids, so today I'm going to show you how to plot your lines of latitude and longitude. What I have open on my screen is the Google form we did in class, and what I have in front of me is a copy of the map that we used. Now for the sake of this video, I am going to use a printed copy of this, or a digital copy of that map, so you can maybe more clearly see what I'm doing. Okay, so on my map on the screen, I have my equator line marked. So I took a red marker, just kind of went over it. That's 0 degrees latitude. And then I also have going up and down our prime meridian. So going north and south is dividing the prime meridian. The prime meridian is dividing east and west, excuse me. And that is going up and down on our lines of longitude. All right, so according to the Google form, the first question is asking us to plot 60 degrees north, 120 degrees east. All right, so if I go to the map, 60 degrees north. So remember, I told you to go up and down first because we're going north and south first. So we got to actually look at the lines of latitude in order to get to the north and the south. So it said 60 degrees north. So we're going to start at the equator. So here's the equator. We're going to go 20, 40, 60. And then I'm going to draw my line of latitude, latitude, latitude. And I am in the north, so just kind of check yourself there and think, am I in the northern hemisphere? Yes, so we went up first, all right? Then the next one was 120 degrees east. So now we're going to go side to side. So remember in class I said first you go up and down, then side to side. So since we're going east, we're going to start at our prime meridian, and we're going to move towards the east, and we're going to the 120 degree mark. So we go from 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. So see how these lines curve? We're going to follow that line of longitude all the way down. All right, and the point where these two intersect is right here. The question says, what country is that? Well, your country is Asia. We're right in Asia here. So your question here is Asia, the answer. So you should have picked that for number 1. All right, let's try one more together just to make sure that you understand what I'm doing here. I'm actually going to write these coordinates down because, to be honest, I recorded this video a few times because I kept forgetting the coordinates that I was going for. So 20 degrees north and 100 degrees to the west. So let's take our map and let's plot those points again. So I'm going to get rid of these lines from the last problem. Okay, so now we're back with just our equator and prime meridian in our compass marked. Okay, so 20 degrees north, kind of the same thing we did last time, up and down first. 20 degree line, so we go from the equator and up to the 20 and mark it. That's 20 degrees north. Okay, then the next one says 100 degrees west. So start at your prime meridian and go towards the west, which is over to the left. And we need to go to the 100 line. So we go 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And then we're going to mark that line of longitude. And I'm trying to stay on this line of longitude by drawing with a mouse, but it's a little difficult. Okay, and the point where those two line up, you are in the green area, and you are in North America. So there you go, North America. So your answer for 20 degrees north, 100 degrees west, North America. Okay, let's maybe just do one more together, just to be safe. Excuse me. All right, let's write it down. So the next one, we have 40 degrees south, 20 degrees west. Okay, so let's go back to our map. I'm going to delete the lines I don't need. Voila. Okay, so 40 degrees south. So remember, up and down first. So this time, I'm in the southern hemisphere. So we're going to 40 degrees to the south. And I'm going to go start at the equator, 20, 40. Mark my line. There I am trying to stay straight. There we go. So that's 40 degrees south. Now I want to go 20 degrees west. So now I'm going side to side. So here's 0. I'm going to go to the left because I'm going to the west. So 20 degrees west. Here I'm drawing the line going down. Okay, so the point where those two intersect is right here in the South Atlantic Ocean. And there it is. So let's look at your answers. 40 degrees south, 20 degrees west, South Atlantic Ocean. And let me find that on the map. South Atlantic, and there you go, South Atlantic Ocean. All right, so just remember, you're going up and down first. So if we're dancing, up and down first. So up on lines of latitude, then side to side. So if you're dancing, up and down first, side to side next. All right, I hope that helped. Let me know if you have questions.